Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to turn off comments on Facebook. So let's just say you wanted to post something and you want to set this to public and then you don't want anyone but your friends to comment on this specific post. So first you just have to go to your what's on your mind section, and then you're going to post something here, like let's just say good day. So as you can see, it is set to public. Now, if other people, even if not your friends, can visit your profile, they can comment everything here. So if you want to set this, or if you want to turn off your comment section on Facebook, and you just want your friends to, or you have the full control of who can comment your Facebook. So first you have to set this into public. Okay. So this post should be set into public and then refresh. After I have refreshed, tap this three dots again, then you will see this who can comment your post. Now you have options here, public, friends, and established followers. You can tap friends right here, or everything is up to you, but you can click friends, done. And then this post will be set to public, but only friends can comment on this post. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. I'm going to open my other account, and then I'm going to search my other account to Facebook. And as you can see here, the post is set to public, but I have turned off the comment section. So no one can comment this. My friends can, but even if it's public, I have the full control of who can comment on my comment section. So that's how easy it is to turn off comments here on Facebook. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to suggest any topic, please do comment down below. And see you again in our next video tutorials.